In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we can add clickable links to your YouTube channel just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So if you want to add clickable links to your YouTube channel, all you have to do, you just need to open your YouTube homepage like this and click on your profile picture, okay? And click over here on YouTube Studio, okay? You will be directly in this YouTube Studio homepage over here. As you can see, go over here to dashboard, content, and scroll down and click on customization, okay, like this. Super easy and simple, and it's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down, okay, just keep scrolling down and you should see here links, okay, and you have here this option, add link, okay. So to add clickable link, just click on add link and put the link title. For example, let's say for example Facebook. If you want to put your Facebook link here for your profile, Facebook profile account, for example, and you can put your link here, okay. So you can go to your Facebook account if you want, for example, like this, and you can copy your Facebook link and go back to YouTube and you can put your link here, okay. You guys can see, and after you finish, just click over here on publish, and that's it. Super easy and simple, and your link will be in your YouTube description channel. Super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.